Hi everyone, this is Elise with Healthy Foodie. Thanks for visiting today. We're going to make a tasty butterboard. So gather your ingredients and make sure you start with softened quality butter, some aged cheeses. You'll also want to get some nuts, some honey, and some figs. Place the butter on the board and shape it into petals with your large cheese knife. Then you're going to put the fig jam in the middle and put the basil leaves on the board. Cut your aged cheeses into thin slices. Place the cheeses on the board and then slice the figs and place on the board. Top with your remaining nuts and herbs. Sprinkle your honey and your salt and serve with fresh sourdough sliced bread. This is going to be a great addition to your next party. You can also add some garlic, balsamic, vegetables, different berries, or different jams. This is a trendy new board that will serve 2 to 4 people. Enjoy this tasty charcuterie butterboard for your next get-together, party, or special event. Thanks for visiting.